What's up, YouTube? Today we are doing the unboxing of the Crock-Pot Express Crock XL. New XL size. Exciting. Express Crock XL, multi-cooker, convenience to cooking fast or slow. You can put ribs in it, 45 minutes pressure cooked or 6 hours slow cooked. Rice and beans, 35 minutes pressure cooked, 4 hours slow cooked. Pulled pork in 1 hour or 8 hours slow cooked. Gotta pop this thing open. Alright, yeah. Go ahead and slide this. Ooh, this thing is nice looking. Wow. It comes with a recipe book. That's pretty cool. Appetizer, soup, sides, desserts, entrees. Oh, they got some good stuff in here. Steamed shrimp with chimichurri. Warm potato salad, French onion soup. That's awesome. Oh, wow, this thing just out of the box looks gorgeous. Unlock it. There you go. You just line this up. Turn it. It's locked. But would you look at that? Holy crap. This is gorgeous. Alright, we got a little tray right here. Tray away. This steam release valve is designed to be loose fitting for proper operation when using pressure cooking functions. Rotate this valve into the sealed position in order to prevent steam from escaping. So this kind of puts it at a tilted angle, and then this one kind of just has it sit flat. Our plug. This is nice. Little spatula. Oh, this is really cool. It's just absolutely gorgeous inside. Wow. Would you just look at that? Gorgeous. None of this is removable. We got some markings right here. 2/3, 1/2, 1/3. Interesting. Locker right here. Make sure to get it on both sides. Then you can put this in here. Looks like this is like a steam collection. So when steam starts to gather right here, it will sit here, and then this is designed to catch that. That's nice. And you plug it in right here. That's super nice. Alright, let's put this here. We got some venting on the bottom to keep it cool. Nice rubber pads on the bottom. Keep face and hands clear of valves when releasing steam. Read owner's manual before use. Just look at that though. Got brown, sear, saute, slow cook, simmer, boil, yogurt, meat. This is traditional. Then here's all the pressure stuff. Meat, stew, poultry, beans, chili, soup broth, rice grains, dessert, steam. Delay timer, start, manual pressure, high pressure, timer increase, decrease. This is just, wow, amazing.
This is huge.
Mm-hmm.
How do you open it? I don't even know how to use this.
You just rotate it here.
Oh, that's cool.
And then lift that out.
That's
and then you have
huge.
your steamer plate right here. Mm-hmm. Then you have some markings right here. Never fill it past this max. And then you have an 1/8, a 1/2, a 2/3.
What's that?
This is what you cook in.
Oh,
This is so you can wash it.
Oh, that's cool.
Right. So then you just put that in there. You don't have to keep it in there.
How do you saute it?
There's literally a saute button.
That's cool. So poultry, bean, chili, soup, broth, dessert, steamer, yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
I like the keep warm one.
Mm-hmm.
Slow cook. Nice, Bubba. I'm excited.
And so when you're steaming stuff or doing pressure, you have this turned here. If you're doing just regular cooking, you put it over to here. You'll get an error, the E5 error, that will tell you it's not letting it vent out properly.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're just gonna move it over to here and reset your settings, possibly unplug it. If you look here, this comes out, so just be careful. And then over here, you have what's called the bobber. If you see this is up, do not open it.
Why?
It would be very dangerous. It's too pressurized.
Oh, okay. And then you have to wait till it goes down.
Yep. So you put it on the release right here, and then you let it pressurize. You let it depressurize. You line the arrow with here. Make sure you get the front and back, and then turn it like that. Good to go. Simple little plug.
Cool.
Very nice. You can do manual pressure. You can pressure cook. Lid required. Yes. Nice. So you press brown sear, and then you press start, stop. Oh. There's actually a glass lid you can get for this too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when you're not pressurizing.